I'm gonna teach you how to get this super cute Y2K look. All you're gonna need for this hairstyle is a parting comb, some tiny butterfly clips, and whatever product you like to use to tame your baby hairs. I personally love the Garnier Fructis Frizz Tamer. It's like this little mascara wand tube, and it just makes it super easy and quick. To start off, I already have a nice middle part going on. I'm gonna take my parting comb and form another part straight back, creating a small section of hair, trying to make the part as clean as possible. And now that I have my section of hair, brush it back, and we're gonna twist it. Now that we have our twisted section, I'm just gonna push it up ever so slightly just to create some volume in this part. And now I'm gonna take my little butterfly clip and just clip it back. I like to go in with 2 of these just to make it more secure. So I'm gonna go in with my second one and just clip it right behind that first one. And our first section is done, and we're just gonna repeat that process. It's also important to try to make the parts as even as possible. We're looking super cute already. Honestly, you could stop right here because this by itself is cute, but I think we can fit 2 more. Again, remember, no matter what hairstyle I show you, you can always add your own flair to it if you don't like something or if you want to add something. It is totally up to you. Another thing, when you're doing these side sections, it's easy to accidentally pull the tail of another section into your new section. So be aware of that. I like to take the tail from the previous sections and bring them to the other side, so I know I'm not bringing in any hair into the wrong section. I also like to make sure my clips match throughout my whole head so it forms like a cute pattern. But I think in the summer this look would be so much fun if you did like multicolored clips like rainbow, or if you're somewhere tropical on vacation, that would also be fire. I would definitely want to try this out with some pink clips. I think that would be really cute. The clips and the Frizz Tamer will be linked below. The parting comb you can get from anywhere. You can get it from Amazon, beauty supply store, Target. Not too hard to find. Last section. Now's the time where you're gonna want to clean up any baby hairs, which mine are a little messy, so I'm just gonna kind of swoop them in the direction of whichever section they match up with. This part is essential. It really gives the look that final touch. Love this look. It's very Y2K. I remember girls would always wear this hairstyle when I was little, and it's still so cute. It's a really good hairstyle option if you want your hair out of your face, but low tension. As you know, it's no slick back January, but it's great because my hair is out of my way, out of my face, and really cute. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.